We're going to turn now to the trillion-dollar sell-off for tech stocks on Wall Street yesterday. They plunged after a Chinese-owned startup company called DeepSeek claimed to have a startling new advance in artificial intelligence. We're going to talk about it. CBS News MoneyWatch correspondent Kelly O'Grady is here for more on this. Kelly, thank you very much for joining us. Do we believe this Chinese company's claim? And if we do, how different is their model from what the U.S. is doing?
Well, that's sort of the big thing. Are they being truthful? Basically, if you believe them, they've built a better, cheaper chatbot that uses less energy. So analysts are looking at this. They're saying it's nearly as good as ChatGPT from OpenAI, but it can actually explain its reasoning before it gives you the answer. The big thing is DeepSeek is saying that this costs less than $6 million to make. You compare that to $100 million to $1 billion for the comparable U.S. models, and it's also more energy efficient. It used just about 2,000 chips versus tens of thousands. But to your point, if you believe them.
So instead of using the fancy U.S.-made NVIDIA chips, they used whatever they were able to get. So is that why there was this big sell-off in the market?
Exactly. This really calls into question the American chip makers' dominance. NVIDIA lost nearly $600 billion. That was the single biggest loss for a stock in a day in history.
Wow.
Yes.
I couldn't believe it when I heard that number.
Exactly. And also think about this. Meta, all of these other companies, they're investing hundreds of billions of dollars in data centers. If you believe DeepSeek, these companies should be able to do that for far less money, and that scared investors.
Well, Sam Altman weighed in. He seems a little skeptical, too, about what they're... He's a competitor, I get it.
Right.
He says he's excited about the competition. Invigorating was his word.
Invigorating, okay. Thank you, Kelly.
Yeah, Kelly, thank you very much. Appreciate it.